ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्येभ्यो नमो नमः। ओम श्री गुरु चरण कमलेभ्यो नमो नमः। वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देवा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। Dearest devotees, through the blessings of God, once again this evening we come live into your beautiful homes to celebrate life, to celebrate the blessings of life, and to celebrate our most divine blessings that God has provided us with every moment. Bhagavan Kripa, His mercy goes beyond, and the least we can do time and time again is to sit and to reflect on His mercy, His grace. Today we bow to Lord Ganesha. May he help us spiritually and intellectually to deal with the ups and downs of life. May Lord Shiva grant us the inner peace, the eternal bliss that we seem to be searching for every moment. And finally, we bow to Lord Hanumanji, the Lord of strength, courage, and wisdom. For whatever obstacles will come, where there is strength, courage, intelligence, and determination, all obstacles will be overcome. Buddhir balam yashodhairyam nirbhayatvam arogatam ajam vyakpatu tvam cha hanumate smarana bhavet charan sharan mein aike धरो तिहारे ध्यान संकट ते रक्षा करो पवन पुत्र हनुमान। Let's sing the beautiful praises of God this evening. Devotees all, kindly log in with us. Press that share button so everyone can log in. And let's sing our heart's satisfaction to God, the Shri Hanuman Chalisa. Shri Guru Charan Saroj Raj Nij Man Mukur Sudhar Varno Raghuvar Vimal Jaso Jodayak Phaldchar Buddhihin Tanu Janike Sumiro Pavan Kumar Bal Buddhi Vidya Deho Mohi हर हो कलेश विकार जगत के जेते। राम तुम्हारे तुम रखवारे, सब सुखल है तुम्हारी शरणा। आपन तेज सम्हारो आपे, भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे। नासै रोग हरै सब पीरा, संकट से हनुमान छुड़ावे। सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे। चारों युग परताप तुम्हारा, साधु संत के तुम रखवारे। अष्ट सिद्धि नवनिधि के दाता, राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा। तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे, अंतकाल रघुपति पुर जाई। और देवता चित न धरही, संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई। जो सत बार पाठ कर कोई, छूटई बंदी महासुख होई। जो यह करे हनुमान चालीसा, होई सीधी साखी गौरीसा। तुलसीदास सदा हरिचेरा, जय नाथ हृदय महादेवा। जय नाथ हृदय महादेवा, जय नाथ हृदय महादेवा। पवन तनय संकट हरण, मंगल मूर्ति हो। राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय बसु सुरभो। बोलो सियापति रामचंद्र की जय। बोलिए प्रेम से बोलो श्री महावीर स्वामी की जय। Jai Sitaram devotees. This evening, through the blessings and inspiration of God, on behalf of myself and all the devotees of our Mandir, the Shanti Bhavan Mandir, please allow me to say Jai Sitaram, Namaste, Salam, a pleasant good evening to everyone joining us live this evening. And on behalf of these wonderful stalwarts of Satya Sanatan Vedic Dharma, our dear Ashley joining us tonight, My nephew, of course, Kiran ji is here with me. Our dear Crystal ji is here joining us tonight, and behind the cameras, my brother Karan ji. And on behalf of all of us tonight, we simply want to share a few moments of devotion with each and every one of you. All that we ask is for you to hit that little button that says share. Share, the Beaver's rule, share. The more you share is the more you're going to enjoy in life. Let everyone log in this evening and join us in our few moments of devotion. Tonight, of course, as we do every Tuesday night, we're going to be singing the Hanuman Chalisa. We're going to be singing some beautiful bhajans. Crystal ji is a fabulous singer in our community. You will hear from her later on. And of course, we'll be looking at some beautiful choice bhajans where devotees just surrender themselves to God in moments of prayers. This bhajan I want to sing firstly. A bhajan says that a devotee is in searching for God. And the devotee says, I'm searching here, there and everywhere. And I wonder if my eyes will ever get a glimpse of your true form, O Lord. This bhajan I want to dedicate to two special people in our lives. Firstly, we want to pray for our dear Mataji Leela Mohan. This is the mother of my brother, a very good friend of mine, Ramji from Long Island. She lives in Florida. She's not well. Ma, on behalf of all of us, on behalf of the family, we want to pray, may Bhagavan Krishna give you the help that you so much desire. And to our very own Auntie Janet, this week period marks 2 years since this beautiful angel left our mandir, left our lives forever. The memories will always be cherished. Let's all sing together as the devotee says, Hey Prabhu, मोहिलागी लगन हरि दर्शन की, हरि दर्शन की। हरि ओम, हरि ओम, हरि ओम, हरि ओम, हरि ओम, हरि ओम, हरि ओम। सुनो अब दीनन की हो, विनय सुनो अब दीनन की। मोहिलागी लगन, मोहिलागी लगन हरि दर्शन की, हरि दर्शन की। हरि
हरि ओम, हरि ओम, हरि ओम, हरि
अवतरणन की हो, दो शक्ति भावावतरणन की। मोहि लागी लगन, मोहि लागी लगन, हरि दर्शन की, हरि दर्शन की। हरि ओम the Lord who gives endless happiness. Once you have to go to the Lord, all you have to do is go to God and He will give you everything. Jagahitakari, He who removes all the burdens from our lives. Do Shakti Bhavatarananaki, He who is a storehouse of strength. The Lord who is an abundance of bliss and joy. Such a Lord, devotees, we sing His beautiful praises again and again. And we're reminded that he who sings the praises of God will always be guaranteed his darshan. From the time you open your eyes, you're able to see the presence of God in your life. Even if you cannot open them, you can feel the presence of God always in your life. What do I say to you, Lord? What can I sing to you? What can I sing? What can I say? What can I ask of you, O Prabhu? Gaye na janu, bajaye na janu, na janu sur mewa ho Shri Ram Ram. I may not know the songs, I may not know the music, I may not know the meaning, O Lord. Rijaye na jau, or Veda na jau, Kitaba na jau. I don't know the Vedas, I don't know the books that talks about you. Oh Lord, what can I say? What can I sing? Kya mangu gunhina avgun, kya mangu gunhina avadh, kya mangu gunhina बजाए न जानो, ना जानो सुर मेवा हो, गाए न जानो, बजाए न जानो, ना जानो जानो सुर मेवा, रीझ न जानो रिझाए न जानो, न जानो पर सेवा आवरो।
क्या मांगो गुर दीना,
आवरो
क्या मांगो गुर दीना,
बेगुण गणया प्रवीणा,
बेगुण गणना प्रवीणा, क्या मांगो गुर दीना, क्या मांगो गुर दीना।
The devotee is saying tonight that, oh Lord, I'm bereft of everything. I don't have any virtues, I don't know so much, I don't know anything. And I wonder if you will still accept me as your own Lord. Veda na jano, kitab na jano, jano nahan chanda. Veda na jano, kitab na jano, jano naya chanda. Tarke vaad vivaad na jano, na jano kabhi dhanda avado.
क्या मांगो गुर दीना,
आवरो
क्या मांगो गुर दीना,
बेगुण गण प्रवीणा,
बेगुण गणना प्रवीणा,
आवरो
क्या मांगो गुर दीना,
आवरो
क्या मांगो गुर दीना,
आवरो
क्या मांगो गुर दीना।
न जानो सुरमेवा. I don't know how to even worship you or adore you or glorify you, Lord. Tell me, what do I do? O Prabhu. Devotees, this is how the devotee approaches God. The devotee doesn't know what to say or what to ask of God. The devotee is saying, I don't know much. And I'm bereft of everything, all good virtues. Because, as I said last week, none of us are perfect. But the devotee says and wonders, will you still accept me? Oh Lord. We all have problems. And sometimes we wonder if God is going to help us to rid ourselves of these problems. Sometimes they become endless, like every day is something that you're dealing with. Remember in the Chalisa, we're told, Nashay rog haray sab pira japata nirantar hanumata vira, that diseases will come, sickness will come, obstacles will come. Because the saints and sages saw this from years and years ago. Hence today we are feeling the results of what our saints were telling us. How do we deal with them? The devotee says, all you have to do is continue to have faith in God. O Banwari, Krishna Murari, O Banwari, Krishna Murari. This is all of our Pitras. This was my Nana's favorite song. To all of our ancestors. Nath Nagar Nandlal, Hamare Dukh Haro Gopal. Nath Hamaro Nandlal, Hamare Dukh Haro Gopal. और की दुख हरो है तुमने, हमारे भी दुख हरो गोपाल, हमारे भी दुख हरो गोकुल के नर नारी, जमुना तट पर श्याम मुरारी। आए गोकुल के नर नारी, जमुना जी है सुखी सुखी, बैल है प्यासी भैया भूखी। जमुना जी है सुखी सुखी, बैल है प्यासी भैया भूखी। आस लगा के सब बैठे हैं, आस लगा के सब बैठे हैं। आओ ब्रज के पास हमारी दुख हरो गोपाल। आओ ब्रज के पास हमारी दुख
हरो गोपाल।
और के दुख हरो है तुमने, हमारे भी दुख हरो गोपाल। हमारे भी दुख हरो ओ बनवारी कृष्ण मुरारी।
ओ बनवारी कृष्ण मुरारी।
ओ बनवारी कृष्ण मुरारी।
ओ बनवारी कृष्ण मुरारी।
नाथ नगर नंदना, हमारे दुख हरो गोपाल।
नाथ हमारो नंदना, हमारो दुख हरो गोपाल।
और के दुख हरो है तुमने, हमारे भी दुख हरो गोपाल। हमारे भी
दुख हरो गोपाल।
हमारे भी
दुख हरो गोपाल।
हमारे भी
दुख हरो गोपाल।
और के दुख हरी है तुमने। Tell me, my dear brothers and sisters, which one of us don't have an obstacle that we're dealing with? Don't give up. Continue to have faith. Tonight I want to dedicate this song before we hand over to Christoji to sing two of her most priceless songs for tonight. I want to dedicate this song to all of our birthday celebrants. They say while somebody's alive, tell them you love them. While somebody's alive, tell them what you want to tell them, and do not wait until it's too late. So all of our birthday celebrants, happy birthday to each and every one of you. Darshini, Anash, Salina, Mandy, Dheeraji, our dear Pandit Kamraj from South Florida, celebrating his birthday. Upcoming birthdays, Mataji Shamu will be celebrating her birthday this coming week. My Bhauji, Sabuji will be celebrating her birthday, and our dear Varshaji will be celebrating her birthday this very week coming. To all of our birthday celebrants, we want to say happy birthday. Did I leave with anybody? The devotee says, I woke up one day, and when I looked, I realized that I'm the richest person alive. The wife says, tell me, did you win the lotto that I don't know of? And he looks at his wife and he says, yes, you and my children are my lotto. And God, that beautiful name Ram, made it all happen. Payo ji maine Ram ratan dhan payo.
पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो।
पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो।
पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो।
वस्तु अमोलक दी मेरे सतगुरु।
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 कृपा कर अपनायो। पायो जी मैंने Birth after birth after birth. So long as you have God's name, you will always be rich. Everything He gives. Janam janam ki punji paaye.
जन्म जन्म की पूंजी पाए
जन्म जन्म की पूंजी पाए जग में सभी खोवायो
जग में सभी खोवायो
छोड़ न लूटे खर्च न कूटे
छोड़ न लूटे खर्च न टूटे
दिन दिन बढ़ता सवायो पायो जी मैंने दिन दिन बढ़ता सवायो पायो जी मैंने
राम रतन धन पायो पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो
सत की नाव केवतिया सतगुरु
सत की नाव केवतिया सतगुरु
सत की नाव केवतिया सतगुरु भव सागर तर आयो
भव सागर तर आयो
मीरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नागर
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 हरख हरख जस गायो पायो जी मैंने पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो रतन धन पायो गुरु जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो राम रतन धन पायो राम रतन धन Ram Ratan Dhan Payo. There is nothing richer than when you always have God in your heart. And when you look to those you love, you see a replica of God in your life. Devotees, as I said tonight, we're blessed to have two of our devotees here with us. Ashley Ji, as you just heard, one of the fantastic female dholak players that we have in our community. We don't have too many of them. And Ashley Ji is one of whom we should respect tremendously, telling our females in the world that yes, we can do it also, and we can do it to the best of our ability. So Ashley, thank you for being with us here tonight. And of course, she is the hip, and this is the body, and Crystal is here with us. Fantastic singer in our community. Wherever you see one, you see the other one. Where you see one, you see the other one. Over now to Crystal, as she will lead us in two bhajans, and then we'll continue from there with the Chalisa again.
जग के स्वामी अंतर्यामी तू ही उदार हे मुरारा जय रघुनंदन जय सिया राम मन से जप ले तू सीताराम जय रघुनंदन जय सिया राम जय रघुनंदन जय सिया राम मन से जप ले तू सीताराम जय रघुनंदन जय सिया राम मन से जप ले तू सीताराम जय रघुनंदन जय सिया राम मन से जप ले तू सीताराम जय जय राम 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 सीता राम 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 जय जय राम 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 सीता राम 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 जय जय राम 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 सीता राम 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 जय जय राम 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 सीता राम 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 जय जय राम 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 सीता राम 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 जय जय राम 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 सीता राम 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 जय जय राम 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 सीता राम 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 जय जय राम 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 सीता राम 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 जय जय राम 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 सीता राम 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 जय जय राम 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 सीता राम 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 जय जय राम 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 सीता राम 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 जय जय राम 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 सीता राम 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 जय जय राम 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 सीता राम 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 जय जय राम 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 सीता राम 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 जय जय राम 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 सीता राम 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 जय जय राम 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 सीता राम 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 जय जय राम 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 सीता राम 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 जय जय राम 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 सीता राम 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 जय जय राम 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 सीता राम 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 जय जय राम 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 सीता राम 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 जय जय राम 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 सीता राम 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 जय जय राम राम Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Bajore. Oh Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Bajore. Shama Sundara, Madana Gopala, Sachidananda, Sai Narayana. Shama Sundara, Madana Gopala, Sachidananda, Sai Narayana. Hari Madhusudhana, Hari Madhusudhana, Hari Madhusudhana, Bajore. Hari Madhusudhana, Hari Madhusudhana, Hari Madhusudhana, Bajore. Hari Narayana, Hari Narayana, Bajore. Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Bajore. Shama Sundara, Madana Gopala, Sachidananda, Sai Narayana. Hari Madhusudhana, Hari Madhusudhana, Hari Madhusudhana, Bajore. Oh Hari Narayana, Hari Narayana, Hari Narayana, Bajore. Oh Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Bajore. Oh Sai Narayana, Sai Narayana, Sai Narayana, Bajore. Oh Satya Narayana, Satya Narayana, Satya Narayana, Bajore.
Imagine if we can sit together more and more in opportunities, or take the opportunities as they are given to us like this. Devotees, imagine what beautiful miracles we can create in the world. You know, it's very, very difficult. I'm sure many of us are scared, we are worried, and we should be. We should be worried and scared, because if those of you who follow the news today would see that the COVID-19 is on the rise again in certain areas, and of course it is traveling. So devotees, tonight once again I want to urge each and every one of you to be safe, take all the necessary precautions that needs to be taken, and keep your social distancing. Always be careful, be very, very careful. It is coming, and it is here, and it is going to be here for a long time. I know many of our devotees are wondering what's going on with the mandir, when we're going to meet again, and just a little update to those of our followers, our devotees. Buildings department is backed up until October 13th. So without an inspection from them, we cannot move ahead with getting our CO and do our opening. So until October 13th, within that week or so, we have to wait until they give us the okay, when they can come and give us our annual inspection that we need. But don't lose faith. I know many of the mandirs are open, 5 people, 10 people, and we're distanced from each other. But when you sit closely together, then you can feel the vibrations and the energy of God. So let's continue to have faith and be patient. And a day will come when we can all meet again without any kind of fear, where we can sing the beautiful praises of God. Once again, to our dear Auntie Janet, who passed away 2 years ago, Auntie Janet, may you continue to always blow good wind upon each and every one of us. To our dear Mataji Neela Mohan, who is sick in Florida, Mom, on behalf of all of us, we want to wish you a speedy, speedy recovery. To all the birthday celebrants, Darshini, Anash, Salina, Dira, Pandit Kamraji, Mataji Shamo, Behinji Sabu, Varsha, and Uncle Kendrick Ugra, all the way from Canada. We want to wish all of you happy, happy birthday as we conclude tonight If you're sad, surrender to God. If you're happy, thank God. If you need an answer or solution, pray to God. Shri Guru Charana Sarojar Jar Nij Man Mukur Sudhar Nij Man Mukur Sudhar Varno Raghuvar Vimala Jasu
जो दायक पद चार
बोधिहीन तनु जान के
होता स्वयं पर हनुमान चालीसा मोहि सीति साकी गौरीसा तुलसीदास सदा हरिचेरा एकनाथ हृदय महावीरा कीजय नाथ हृदय महावीरा
पावन तनय संकट हरण
मंगल मूर्ति रूप राम लखन सीता सहित हृदय बसु सुरभूप
बोलिए सियापति राम चंद्र की जय शरणम शंकर हरि ओम। बोलिए प्रेम से बोलो श्री महावीर स्वामी की जय। Devotees, once again tonight on behalf of all of us here, I want to say thank you for joining us in our Hanuman Chalisa Satsang. It is now 8:37 and we want to conclude. Imagine a little bit over an hour we dedicate to God, and if we can do this more and more, imagine the true blessings we can always enjoy. Tonight on behalf of myself, all the members of our mandir, all of our devotees, and these wonderful souls here with me, Ashley, Kiran, Karan, and of course our dear Crystal, I want to say have a pleasant evening. Do enjoy the rest of your week, and we'll see you here again on Sunday morning at 9 a.m. when myself and finally Rita Ji will be joining me in our Sunday morning congregational Havan. So join us Sunday morning 9 a.m. And just to let everyone know, we have a beautiful program planned for Navratri, but more information will shortly follow. Let's all surrender in prayers, O Lord, tonight. If we made any mistakes, we humbly seek your forgiveness. If we have said anything wrong to anyone, we humbly ask for your forgiveness. And if we have done anything wrong in any way possible, let the source forgive you, and you also forgive yourself. Om Kar Charan Kritam Va Kayajam Karmajam Va Shravana Nayanam Jam Va Manasam Va Paradam Vihitam Vihitam Va Sarvametat Kshamasva Jaya 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 Karunadhe Shri Mahadeva Shambhu Vihitam Vihitam Va Sarvametat Kshamasva Jai Jai Karunadhi Shri Mahadeva Shambho. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanam
मृत्युर्मुक्षयमामृता
Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam
उर्वारुकमेव वन्दनात् मृत्युर्मुक्षयमामृतात्
Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam
उर्वारुकमेव वन्दनात् मृत्युर्मुक्षयमामृतात्
So, गाइए all of us together. त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धु च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव त्वमेव सर्वं
मम देव देव।
ॐ गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः
साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
हरि ओम शांति 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 हरि ओम। Have a pleasant evening everyone. God bless until we meet again. May the beautiful blessings of God be with each and every one of us. बोलिए प्रेम से बोलो श्री महावीर स्वामी की जय, श्री सत्य सनातन धर्म की